Hi everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. I'm so excited to show you these fantastic red Charol flats that have been a staple in my wardrobe for over a year and a half now. First of all, look at their condition. After a year and a half of using them, they still look almost brand new. One of the things I love most about these flats is their versatility. Whether I'm dressing casually or aiming for a semi-formal look for an event or meeting, these shoes always fit perfectly. And another thing I appreciate is the design. The shiny red finish really makes them stand out. They add a pop of color to any outfit. And maintenance is also a breeze. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep them looking shiny and new. So if you're looking for a pair of flats that are stylish, durable, comfortable, and versatile, I highly recommend these red Charles shoes. And that's why I really love my Lower East Side Charles red shoes, and that is my point of view.